right, our first time the tempo is going to be slowed down a bit. There's a very quick intro. It goes da 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 da, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you just got to be ready for it. Here we go. Super quick intro. You got it. Go left, right, left, cross. Hands right, left, right, right, front, left, right, front and back, right. Turn it, right, left, touch out, right, together, left. Kick, kick, cross out, kick, cross out, free style. Great job. Let's go a little faster. Have fun, you got it. Step on that left foot first. Go left, right, left, turn it. Hands right, right, left foot. 6, 7, and 8, front, back, turn it. Touch out right, and left, kick, cross out. Woo, it's fast. Fantastic job. Let's try without cueing, shall we?